In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Canva design into your WordPress site. This process will enable you to showcase your creative work on your website effortlessly. So, let's dive right in and get started. First of all, open up Canva on your preferred device and navigate to the design you wish to share on your WordPress site. Once you have your project open, make your way to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. Clicking on this will open up a variety of sharing options, giving you the flexibility to decide how you'd like to distribute your design. Next, you'll select See All, which will present you with even more choices for sharing your work. Among these options, you'll find Embed. This is the essential feature we need to use to integrate your Canva creation into your website. Go ahead and click on Embed, which will then generate a special piece of HTML code, often referred to as the embed code. This code is what connects your Canva design to your WordPress site's backend. Copy this code to your clipboard, making sure you have the entire string of characters copied, as each part is important for the integration. With that embed code safely copied, it's time to turn our attention to WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin area where you manage your site. Once there, you're going to look for the plus icon. This little icon is your gateway to adding new content to your WordPress pages or posts. Click on the plus icon to open a menu of content block options. In this menu, you'll need to search for the HTML block. To do this quickly, type HTML into the search bar provided. The search bar is a handy tool to help you efficiently find exactly what you're looking for without needing to scroll through all the options. Once you see the HTML item appear in the list, click on it to select it. Now that you've activated the HTML block, you'll notice a blank space where you can paste the embed code from Canva. Simply click into this space and paste the code that you copied earlier. Make sure it's correctly pasted to ensure everything functions properly once it's live. Once you've pasted your embed code, you've effectively linked your Canva design to your WordPress site. Yes, it's that simple. With these easy steps, your design can be viewed by your audience directly on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Canva to WordPress. Now your design can enhance your web content, providing a visual boost and professional flair. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.